First aid course training and certification are crucial for several reasons, as they empower individuals with the knowledge and skills to respond effectively in emergencies. First aid training and certification. 1. Life-saving skills. Immediate response. Trained individuals can provide immediate assistance in emergencies, significantly increasing the chances of survival and reducing the severity of injuries. Critical interventions. Skills like CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation, and AED, automated external defibrillator. Use can be vital in cardiac emergencies. 2. Preventing complications. Proper techniques. First aid training teaches the correct techniques to manage injuries and illnesses, preventing further harm or complications. Stabilizing victims. Trained individuals can stabilize victims until professional medical help arrives, which can be crucial in emergencies. Good Samaritan laws. In many regions, first aid training and certification provide legal protection under Good Samaritan laws, encouraging people to help in emergencies without fear of legal repercussions. First aid course training and certification are critical components of personal, workplace, and community safety. They equip individuals with essential skills to manage emergencies effectively, promote a culture of safety, and contribute to the overall well-being and resilience of society. Investing in first aid training is an investment in a safer, more prepared, and healthier future.